So this is going to be going into a bottle of water for Tucker there to drink. And yes, he's dabbing. Okay, so this is the liquid that Tucker will now be consuming. It has been all dissolved and shaken up in an 8-ounce bottle of water. So we'll see what happens.
Wait, you're claustrophobic, Tucker?
Yes, I am.
And right now Tucker is under the bed looking for a brace.
Hi.
Let's see.
How y'all doing?
You're not going to be able to see him.
You can if you put the phone behind here.
Yeah, well, there's no light on, but let's see.
I'm learning how stuck under here. Hi. Now my legs are stuck. Thanks. Oh, I hate flying spaces. It's my ouch. Yep, I'm stuck.
You're gonna have to get unstuck because none of us can fit down there.
Go
And
a little bit more. There you go.
on top of his legs.
Yep.
And here he comes. So he was stuck under there.
What up, guys? Oh.
Okay, he's going to drink it. He doesn't have to drink all of it if he feels like he's gonna get sick. But at least to see his reaction.
Look at this disgusting crap. Pops like a soda and it's going to explode.
Don't do it over the bed.
Where the heck is that going?
I don't know. Probably the gym.
Probably to get Mom a sandwich from Rayleigh's.
He's going to try and uncap it without it.
Nope. Caught it just in time. I'm gonna go open it over the sink.
Okay, then bring it back.
I'm going
You want to
to.
follow him?
Nah. It's probably not gonna explode that much. He's in there screaming.
It looks really disgusting. It looks like someone has rabies.
How does he know what that looks like?
What, rabies?
Yeah.
Cause it's all foamy and stuff. Look at it. Ugh.
Look at that.
It's disgusting.
Look at all that. See the consistency.
It's seasoning.
It's Cocoa Sprite.
Oh. It's terrible. Why did I agree to this? Oh.
Because...
Should I be an idiot and try to chug it all?
Whatever.
That's up to you. You're the sport.
You don't have to drink it all if you don't want to.
Okay, that's terrible. That tastes like cream cough medicine. Oh, that killed me right there.
You didn't have to do it.
I know, but
You're just having fun.
Yep.
He's awesome like that.
that's much that's left.
You don't have to drink the rest of
I don't have to. I'm gonna throw it away.
Okay. So, that was Tucker.
You know, we don't get to see him try a lot of things very often.
Nope, I don't.
Oh my god. That felt disgusting.
So, you said it tasted like what?
Cough medicine or Pepto or whatever.
Okay.
Well, Pepto tastes better than cough medicine.
So, we'll...
Yeah, it tasted like a mix of both.
Okay, that's gross.
It is gross.
Okay, well, tell him say later.
Hi.
No,
Don't
say
you mean
bye.
Bye.